Okay, well then, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna do a tutorial on Twine or twinery.org. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go on Twine, and to do that, you basically type in twinery.org. That's it. You go there and you get options to download the software. It's for Windows, macOS, and Linux. These are some pictures. Or another way is to just use it online. So you can use it on your mobile or another platform, but right now I'm using it on my iPad. So yeah, so let's just make a new story and call it test. Yep, and then just add. And here you get a untitled passage. I'll just call it start since that's the start of the whole game. And I am just going to delete the text over here. And let's just say tap button to go to next slide. That's it. And then I just if you want to add some buttons, you add 2 brackets here, and then you do go, and then 2 brackets, close text with 2 brackets, which will then make the button for you, and it makes a new slide for you. That's it. So here you have a whole new page. So yeah, we've done that. If you go and go, the same thing. But here, suppose you're connecting 2 slides to 1 slide. This is what you can do. You can basically do this. Hello. I'm just gonna use this as an example. Just a second. Okay, so what you do first is 2 brackets, and then you do, suppose, let's just do hello. I don't know for some reason, but yeah, we do hello, and then you close it in brackets. Actually, no, just kidding. You don't close it in brackets yet. So I'm just gonna find a line right here, just like that, and then you say start. Suppose, actually, no, wait, start, because that's linking to the slide that we started with, and then you close it in brackets. That's it. It's the button, and now you can see the connection. Now let's play. Tap button to go to next slide. Obviously, we just press go, and then we get hello, which goes back to the slide. Or we can just mess with these buttons right here, going back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And now another thing you can do is, if you want to change, suppose you want to start a story from this slide right here, you click these 3 dots and you just click on start story here, and you can even change the shape of the slide. Suppose I want to change this one. I can make this large. Yeah, and you can move these around, just saying. You can move them around, just like that. See? So yeah, that's it. And one more thing, if you didn't know, Twine, to publish your games, you basically go to this thing called film.la. So here, right now, they're not available, but they might just be soon. So basically what I did when I had to make a game, I basically put in a Twitter account, because you just have to. The link of your project from Twine, and then just name your project. That's it. That's what I did, really. And another thing you can do is you can look all over the grid, just like that, choosing these buttons. And not only that, you might be thinking the background is pretty bad. It's just a black background. Well, there's a way to change that, and that can be done in story style sheet or edit story JavaScript. Oh, and one more thing, you can change the story format. Now here, if you change it to suppose snowman, it changes a lot of things. Now if I play it again, this is a test actually. So it just has a white background and changes the text. And yeah. So for today's episode, I gotta tell you guys how to basically make buttons and connect to other slides. And next episode, I will teach you guys how to add background. That's it for now. Meet you, well, in the next video.